Many African parents were never taught how to talk about feelings, how to apologize, how to listen, how to love without control. So, when a queer child appears, they respond with anger, violence, or silence because those are the only fucking tools they were giving. It's evidence to see. This is why sometimes when I actually look at some of our parents, I really will feel sorry for some of them, the ones that are trying, but some of them that are not even trying. I will be like, you are fucked up. You are extremely messed up. And I don't think you know it. You are using all your madness and all your frustration. You are frustrated and you are using your child as a punch bag. Most of our African parents repeat the harm they were never ever allowed to heal from. And it is there for you to see. It is transparent. You can see it happen on a daily basis. The number of times I have seen most of our parents scream and lose control about things that they are not supposed to overreact on. Or sometimes they will treat you with silence treatment. I have seen people who are so mean to their children and they still take them to church every day and tell them that God loves them, that if they do anything bad, that God will punish them. They make them to be fearful of God, to fear the wrath of God. And they will be the most bizarre, horrible, wicked father you can come across and mother. And they will still be there telling you that they are the best parents. And you can tell that they are not. It is extremely disappointing and horrible. It is absolutely disgusting the way some of us were raised by our parents. And I don't know what to do about it, but we can just start to unlearn from here. Friend, learn shame before they learn language. In many of our homes, boys are punished for being soft. Why are you acting like a woman? I remember in Kano, they used to say, why you they behave like a girl? Men are not supposed to be like this. Why are you soft? Boys are supposed to be hard. Girls are punished for autonomy. Difference is corrected early. It is crazy as an adult. The things that I know now, looking back, my God, some of our parents messed us up, man. Oh my days. Queerness is mocked long before it is named. The thing they used to do in Kano when I was growing up, if you're a boy and you act like a woman, they will call you woman rapper. In Igbo, they will say omekawanya, which means you behave like a girl. There were so many ways to put you down before you even know who you were and who you are. So by the time a child realizes they are queer, them already lives inside them. This happens. There's so many versions of this still happening in 2026. You see it on social media everywhere, where some of these pastors will be like, why is he behaving like a girl? The child is even like 6 years old or 5 years old, 3 years old, and doesn't understand what and who they are. This is why most of us don't come out. This is why we disappear. Because homophobia is planted early and watered and grown and nurtured daily in African homes. And we carry that everywhere we go. That is why I urge a lot of us queer people to continue to do the work on ourselves. A lot of us LGBTQIA plus individuals from Africa, people of African descent across the diaspora, in the diaspora everywhere, to start to deal and do something about the nonsense that we've been taught. Because homophobia was planted earlier and they've grown it in us and it has manifested, and you need to do something about it to help yourself feel good. Because there is nothing wrong with being LGBTQIA plus